Namaste to all of you. Today we will discuss about the differential equations. Already till now 9 lectures already completed. 9 lectures is already completed, and ninth lecture exclusively, that is not for the board exam point of view, that is exclusively for a competitive exam point of view we given ninth lecture and ninth lecture B. Today in this 10th class also we will discuss about the differential equations of first order, differential equation of the first order but higher degree. Okay, differential equations of the first order but it is the higher degree. Then how you can find the solution of such a kind of the differential equations? Okay, in general the differential equation of the first order and higher degree is in the form of f of x comma y comma p equal to 0. So here generally p value we can take as dy by dx is the value. P value we can take as dy by dx. Now if you observe here, this is f of x comma y comma p is equal to 0. This is known as the first order and first degree. But if the p power is greater than 1, then it is called as the first order but higher degree. Then how you can solve the equation? For example, here one example I will give. Let example is given as some p square minus xp plus some 2y is equal to 0, like this. If you consider p value as dy by dx value, then here p square is given. So what about the here order of the differential equation? Order is only if you convert this equation as like this: dy by dx whole square minus x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. So what about the order of this differential equation? Order is equals to 1 only, but degree if you observe, degree means 2. Since dy by dx highest power is 2, so automatically degree is equals to 2. Then such a kind of differential equations, how we can find the general solution? Now today I will discuss that one. These are known as the solvable for p. This is known as solvable for p. Okay, now in this model with one example I will explain this kind of models. Example here I will give. Example is given as, here it is the value. Solve the differential equation. Here they given as solve p minus x into, this is the first value, p minus x into p minus e power x into p minus 1 by y is equal to 0. If they given like this, solve p minus x into p minus e power x into p minus 1 by y is equal to 0. So if you observe this differential equation, what is here p value? P value nothing but dy by dx value. So first of all, what is the order of this differential equation? Order is equals to 1 only, since p means dy by dx, here it is also dy by dx, this is also dy by dx. So order is equals to 1. But if you multiply this whole equation, you will get dy by dx whole cube. So first order, but the degree is higher degree. Higher degree means for this differential equation 3 is there degree. Then how you can find the general solution for such a kind of equations? Now for this one, listen all of you. Solution for this one. When this equation is given, we have to take p minus x is equal to 0, 1 value. P minus e power x is equal to 0, 1 value. Next value, p minus 1 by y is equal to 0, third value. Now here this value, what is the p value? Nothing but dy by dx. No? So replace that value, dy by dx is equals to x. Then if you simplify dy is equals to x into dx is the value you will get. By integrating the value, integral dy is equals to integral x dx is the value. If I simplify this value, y is equals to x square by 2 plus c1, let it be first equation, you will get like this. This is the first value. Now second value, if you observe here, p minus e power x equal to 0. What is the p value here? Nothing but here it is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to e power x is the value. Then with this one, dy is equals to e power x into dx is the value. With this one you will get y is equals to e power x plus c2 is the value. By integrating you will get like this. This is the second solution. Now here if you simplify this value, what about this value? P minus 1 by y is equals to 0. Then p minus 1 by y equal to 0 means what is the value? P value dy by dx is equals to 1 by y is the value you will get. If you cross multiply, y dy is equals to dx is the value. Then if you integrate on both sides, you will get y square by 2 is equals to x plus c3 is the value. Then here important thing is how you can write the solution of this differential equation. Then the solution of this differential equation is given by the solution. Here I am writing solution is given by multiply these three solutions. How you can multiply? Here if you observe, the first solution is y minus x square by 2. Of course constant is the value, you may take plus c1, not an issue. Either plus c1 minus c1, that is constant, it will not influence the solution. Second value y minus e power x plus c2 is this second solution. And third solution, what is the third solution? Y square by 2 equal to x plus c3. So this value also, how I can write y square by 2, here it is the value y square by 2 minus x plus c3. So this is the complete set of the solution. Once again I will explain this bit. Listen all of you. This is the model for solvable for p. Here they will give solve p minus x into p minus e power x into p minus 1 by y is equal to 0. This is the given bit. So here what is the p value? P value means nothing but dy by dx value. And here if you observe, this is the equation, whole equation, differential equation is nothing but first order but higher degree. Why we call higher degree? Means p into p into p, you will get p cube. P cube means dy by dx whole cube. So this is the first order but higher degree. So how you can solve this equation? Here p minus x equal to 0, p minus e power x equal to 0, p minus 1 by y equal to 0. Then by replacing p value as dy by dx value, then find each solution separately. After finding the solutions for these three values, then the complete general solution is given by multiplying all those values, you will get the solution. Okay, this is the model for solvable for p, where p is nothing but dy by dx. Present we are doing the first order but higher degree, means p power some higher value will be there. Here it is first order first degree. If you observe here, if they will give f of x comma y comma some p power n is the value is equal to 0, they will mention. If n is greater than 1, then this is nothing but first order but higher degree is the value. One more example I will give in this model. Here they given as solve the differential equation. This is also second example, solvable for p only, exclusively IID point of view, competitive exam point of view. Solve the differential equation. X square p square is the value plus xy p is the value. Next one more value minus 6y square equal to 0. Okay, listen all of you. Here it is the bit x square p square plus xyp minus 6y square is equal to 0. Then how you can find the general solution? Listen all of you. Here this one also, if you observe, what is here, it is p value. P value is nothing but, don't forget, this is nothing but dy by dx. So what about the order of this differential equation? Order is equal to 1 only, but p square is there. So p square means what about the degree? Degree is a second degree, means first order but higher degree. How you can solve this equation? And if you observe here, if it is possible, you can factorize this equation. You can factorize and you can separately you can find a solvable for p, then multiply, you will get the solution. For example, if you can't get, then generally like a quadratic equation how to solve, you can solve like this also. Then here p value how you can get, tell me. Then p is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, 4 into x square into what is the value, minus 6y square, means here minus minus plus, here it is the value 6y square, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, means 2 into x square. You can get like this. According to the general formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then what I can get here, it is value, that implies p is equals to, if I simplify this value, I can get the value as minus xy plus or minus root of, what about this value, 6 into 4, 24 x square y square plus x square y square, means 25 x square y square by what is the denominator value, 2x square is the value, means p is equals to minus xy plus or minus, here it is the value 5xy by 2x square is the value. So here again two values with the plus combination one value, minus combination one value. If you take plus combination, that implies p is equal to, if you take plus combination, what you will get, 4xy by 2x square one value. If you take minus combination, p is equals to minus 6xy by 2x square is the value. Then you can solve for this one. But what is the value of p? P value is nothing but dy by dx value. So dy by dx is equals to 2 times cancel, 1x cancel, then 2y by x you will get. If you simplify this value, dx by x or 2 dx by x is equals to dy by y you will get, here it is. Then if you simplify this value, 2 into logarithm of x is equals to logarithm of y, of course, plus logarithm of integration constant also c you can write. Then if you simplify this value, x square is equals to, of course, c1 into y, you will get this solution. This is the first solution. Similarly, you can solve this one also. If you observe this one, here how I can proceed, here it is dy by dx is equals to, here it is value x, 1x cancel, here it is also, and 2 3 times cancel, then you will get minus 3y by x is the value. Then again if you simplify, dy by y is equals to minus 3 into dx by x is the value. Here if you simplify, logarithm of y is equals to minus 3 into logarithm of x plus logarithm of some c2. If you take c1 here, so I can take, here it is c2 is the value. Then if I simplify this value, I can get here y is equals to, this is the value, x power minus 3 you will get. So c2 into x power minus 3. Then this is the one more solution. Then completely when you are writing the general solution, therefore general solution is given by x square minus c1y into y minus c2 by x cube is equal to 0. This is the complete general solution, and this is known as the solvable for p is the model. Okay, so if already factors are given, you can do with the factors. Otherwise you can factorize like a quadratic polynomial. After getting the two roots, then separately you can solve it. Then at the end of the bit you have to multiply all the solutions. This is nothing but solvable for p. Okay, solvable for p means today we are discussing about the differential equations of the first order but higher degree. So whenever if they given higher degree, the dy by dx value you have to take in as some p value and then find the factors. After finding the factors, separately you can solve them. Then at the end of the bit you have to multiply them, you will get the answer. Okay, and one more thing, maximum by tomorrow this chapter will over. Immediately I will start the permutations and combinations. Okay, but in the next coming exam also our syllabus is differential equations only we will plan, but compulsory I will start the new chapter permutations and combinations. Okay, thank you.